ready to build your own profitable online empire. This is your comprehensive guide to launching a successful Amazon FBA business right now. Step 1. Uncover your winning product. This means diving deep into product research. Look for products with high demand but manageable competition. Utilize tools to identify trends, analyze sales volume, and understand customer needs. Your goal is to find a niche where you can stand out. Next, secure your supply chain. Once you've identified a great product, the next crucial step is finding a reliable supplier. Platforms like Alibaba are excellent starting points. Focus on vetting suppliers thoroughly, ordering samples to check quality, and negotiating favorable terms that ensure profitability. With your product and supplier in place, it's time to set up your Amazon Seller Central account. This involves providing all necessary business and tax information and choosing the right selling plan. Navigating this setup smoothly is key to getting your operations off the ground. Now, let's optimize your listing for maximum visibility and sales. This is where you craft persuasive product titles, bullet points, and descriptions. High-quality images are non-negotiable. Think about keywords customers will use to find your product and integrate them naturally throughout your listing. Finally, we'll talk marketing strategies to drive sales. Amazon's pay-per-click advertising is a powerful tool, but don't stop there. Explore social media marketing, influencer collaborations, and email campaigns to build brand awareness and customer loyalty. Consistent effort here fuels your growth. By following these essential steps, you're well on your way to launching a thriving Amazon FBA business. Remember, success is built on thorough research, strategic planning, and consistent execution. Get started today and build your online future.